CSR and sustainable development. Before discussing about sustainable development, we will discuss the summary of CSR. Social responsibility is the responsibility of individual and company to act best interest to their society and environment. When this social responsibility applies to business, it is known as corporate social responsibility. Basically, corporate social responsibility is a form of international private business. It is a commitment by business to behave ethically and contribute to environment. Now, sustainable development. The word sustainable involves the natural product and resources that uses in such a way that does not harm environment. Sustainable development is the development that fulfill the needs and want of current generation without compromising the needs and wants of coming generation. For example, rainwater harvesting. वाटर इज काइंड ऑफ रिसोर्स जिसका यूटिलाइजेशन हमारी करंट जनरेशन करती है. एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर अगर है तो उसको हमें स्टोर करके रखना चाहिए फॉर कमिंग जनरेशन, कि जिस रिसोर्सेज का यूटिलाइजेशन हमारी करंट जनरेशन करती है वो कमिंग जनरेशन भी कर सके विदाउट एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग. Now, pillars of sustainable development. There are three pillars of sustainable development: economic sustainability, environmental sustainability, and social sustainability. Economic sustainability aims to reduce poverty and to generate more employment to the people. Now, environment sustainability. Environment sustainability aims to protect the natural sources of the planet. Now, last but not the least, social sustainability. Social sustainability aims to guarantee access to all the basic resources and provide services to all. Now, goals and objective of न्यू डेवलपमेंट का एजेंडा अडॉप्ट किया था जिसमें दैट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आवर वर्ल्ड. उनका प्रॉपर एजेंडा था 2030 एजेंडा फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. यूनाइटेड स्टेट ने अप्रॉक्स 193 कंट्रीज को 17 गोल्स पे काम करने के लिए कहा था till 2030, and the 17 goals are: no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality and education, gender equality, clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, and so on. Now, importance of sustainable development. Protection of natural resources. Natural resources means जो resources हमें naturally मिलते हैं, water, soil, minerals. Sustainable development इनको long term तक run करने में help करता है. Now, reduce poverty. Poverty includes education, healthcare and lifestyle. Sustainable development poverty को reduce करने में help करता है. Now, quality of life. जो रिसोर्सेज हमारी जनरेशन करेंट जनरेशन यूटिलाइज कर रही है उन सारे रिसोर्सेज को बनाए रखे कि जो हमारी कमिंग जनरेशन है वो भी इस रिसोर्सेज को यूटिलाइजेशन कर सके इसका विद द गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. Importance of sustainable development. Protection of natural resources. Natural resources means जो resources हमें naturally मिलते हैं, water, soil, minerals. Sustainable development इनको long term तक run करने में help करता है. Now, reduce poverty. Poverty includes education, healthcare and lifestyle. Sustainable development poverty को reduce करने में help करता है. Now, quality of life. जो रिसोर्सेज हमारी जनरेशन करेंट जनरेशन यूटिलाइज कर रही है उन सारे रिसोर्सेज को बनाए रखे कि जो हमारी कमिंग जनरेशन है वो भी इस रिसोर्सेज को यूटिलाइजेशन कर सके इसका विद द गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ.